Hi, just wanted to take a minute, talk to you about what's going on with my studio recordings that I'm planning on doing here. I have been tweaking the drums to make sure that they are sounding as good as they can, and I'm about to do a test recording today. So let me just give you a little walk around here and show you what exactly is going on with the drum kit. As you can see, I've got it set up and mic'd, starting with the kick drum. And also on the snare, I've got a microphone. I've got one over the hi-hat. Then I put a couple on toms just because I thought I might try something and see if that helps any. I may not use those in the mix down, but they're there and ready to go. But definitely the snare and kick are the main ones. And then I have some overheads. Well, one overhead over here. That's right above the snare drum. There's a snare, and that microphone is right above it. And then equidistant from the snare, I have one of the same kind right there. So those two microphones will be my overheads, or my general for what the drums sound like. And then there will be this one on the kick and this one on the snare. And then the other ones just kind of around to get little points to see if I can enhance the sound. But basically the overhead one, the one by the floor tom underneath the cymbal over there, and the one on the kick drum, and then one on the snare drum, just to get the basic beat recorded well. So my plan is to create a backing track using Band in a Box, and then replace the instruments and add things like my vocal, my guitar playing, and my drums. And I might leave some of the Band in the Box, like the keyboard parts, in there, or I don't know, maybe I'll farm that stuff out. But anyways, what I'm trying to do is start with the sound first. Try to get a good audio recording, and once I feel confident with that, then I'm going to start videotaping myself performing the parts, because that's my big dream and my big my big deal. What I'm trying to do here is make video songs which are live performances, although they don't have to be simultaneously recorded, which is impossible to do as a solo ensemble, which is what I'm starting to do right now. But that's the idea. Anyways, I hope you're doing great, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.